Hey guys, okay, so I wanted to bring you into my home and just kind of show you guys my grocery haul for this week. I haven't bought in probably about 2 weeks, so we're kind of low on everything. But we really had meat, and we do have a little bit of sides, but I just wanted, that's the main thing I needed, and then just the normal staples like coffee creamer, bread, chips, stuff like that. I try to grab a couple of fast things in case plans change and just kind of have a backup plan, like sandwiches, just, you know, quick like ramen noodles. Sometimes I just like a good ramen for lunch when I'm working from home, stuff like that. But I just kind of wanted to give you guys a glimpse into what I'm buying lately, what we're eating this week. I just posted our meal plan for this week. And of course, that can always change, but I do try to stick with it, plan it out. So what I bought is kind of planned around that, but I'm also thinking about snacks for lunch, for when I go to work, for when my husband goes to work. If we're at home, you know, like on the weekend, a quick snack or something like that. So this is kind of what we're buying right now. So I'll just start over here from the left. So this is 2 heads of lettuce. Our meal is on Friday night is going to be some salad with some chicken, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do chicken patties or chicken breast, but that's what we're going to have. I got some ramen noodles, some quick ramen noodles, some strawberries, just to have a snack, cilantro, a bunch of cilantro, green bell pepper, a head of broccoli, because I'm going to try to make like a little snack for lunch for me for work this week. Another bag of jasmine rice so I can refill my rice container. We're gonna have mole tonight for dinner with chicken and rice and beans. I got a can of baked beans, A1 sauce, 2 cans of ranch beans, ketchup, some corn oil for our Blackstone griddle outside. I don't normally fry stuff in the house. Some cranberry juice, some peach juice, cranberry peach, cranberry strawberry, some ham for sandwiches, some chorizo for breakfast tacos, some eggs. I've got some zucchini, a cucumber, some shredded carrots for the rice, and my doggy also likes to have shredded carrots in her kibble, so sometimes I'll put her scoop in there just to change things up. Carrots for snack. Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage for the weekend. I got some sliced cheese because we were completely out of everything, so I just got a pack of each. And they actually, at first they didn't have it when I started my grocery order, and then they finally had it today, so I went ahead and placed the order early this morning. So I started it on Saturday, and we're about to have some tropical weather, so because I'm down in the Houston area, so I was like, you know what, I need to do my grocery order today. So I went ahead and did my grocery order today. I got some bacon bits, a ranch dip for the sour cream. I'm gonna make a dip with the veggies for a snack for work. Some string cheese, well, not string cheese, but cheese sticks, bananas, 2 lemons, because I have some tilapia in the freezer. I had been wanting to make it, but I wanted some lemons to go with it to season it. So I finally got those. So I may change one of our meals one day to lemons with tilapia. So I may change that up one day. We'll see how we feel. I got some basically Pop-Tarts, some crunchy granola bars. I've got 2 boxes of red beans and rice, and then a box of jambalaya mix. These are for my quick dinners, probably for days that I go to the office, and then the other days when I have a little bit more time to cook when I'm at home, I kind of start at lunch and then cook the rest at dinner time. So like I'll make rice or beans or something at lunch, and then I will finish up the meal at dinner. But on these days I'm kind of short on time because by the time I get home I do have quite a commute. So by the time I leave work, by the time I walk a mile to my car, by the time I drive home and sit in traffic and all that, it's definitely after probably 6:30. So that's kind of late. So by the time I make a meal, sometimes it's a little bit later. So I got 4 bags of chips because it was a deal if you buy 4. So we won't eat all these in 1 week for sure, but we'll have something to snack on for the weekends and during the week. So I got a bunch of celery, a loaf of bread, we haven't been eating too much bread or tortillas and stuff like that. So I haven't really been buying it, but I bought a loaf because we are out of everything. So just to have, but we just haven't been eating it. So I've actually, some of it because I didn't freeze it fast enough, I'm having to throw it away because it's moldy. We're just not eating it fast enough. So some of this stuff I'm trying to like buy less of so that we have it lasts us longer, or like I'm gonna leave half a loaf out and then freeze the other half so that just in case, so it doesn't go bad. I also bought a pack of chicken breasts because we have eaten all the chicken that I bought, so that's what we have right now. So I'm gonna refill our little snack tray here. So I bought this on Amazon, and I just normally have it filled up with just all kinds of snacks. We have protein bars, the little fruit and grain bars, some rice cakes. We have some Tostitos queso here that I bought to eat with some chips over the weekend, and I bought the queso and forgot the chips, so that's why it's still there. I had bought these at Dollar Tree, but yeah, I just kind of stock it once a week and fill it up with everything we have. And so I'll just we've got oatmeal. I just try to keep it full so it's grab and go, so whoever's going to work that day can just grab snacks and go, fill up their lunch boxes. And then this way, kind of by seeing it, I kind of also know when we're low to buy some more. So we also had gotten some trail mix, and yeah, so that's pretty much my grocery haul this week. Not too much because I already have a bunch. So we're just making meals out of everything that we have with what we bought. So I think my total was about 180 maybe. I think it was actually 170 something once they settled out, because I had coupons and then there was some deals going on. So what the price I saw online, it was actually going to be less than that once everything settles. So I'm not sure exactly what it settled for yet, but I will give you guys the update on the video. So yeah, all right guys, stay tuned for the rest of the budget video.